Hello, this is Bakhtavar Mahmood and you're watching The Now. On the behest of India, Jammu and Kashmir police have illegally attached 5 residential properties of Kashmiri Muslims in Srinagar. The attached properties can't be sold by their owners without prior permission from the Indian authorities in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The properties were attached under the Draconian Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The innocent owners of the properties were falsely accused of harboring terrorist activities. 5 residential houses have been attached to different police stations. The attachment of the properties drew sharp criticism from various sections of the society. In past, several properties of the Kashmiri Muslims were either seized or attached, and many houses were given to the non-resident Hindus later on. It is feared that the Indian authorities have plans to seize these 5 properties in the future to settle the non-resident Hindu families. The attachment is part of the India's larger plan of colonization of the Indian illegally occupied Kashmir and making it a Hindu-dominated region. India's ill-intended scheme is depriving Kashmiris of their right to property and life. Deprivation of the Kashmiris from their properties also complements India's larger schemes of the gradual genocide and the ethnic cleansing of Kashmiri Muslims.